Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update, and it is another chilly start to the day, but most of us are in the low to mid 40s. Start out the morning in a few locations dipping into the 30s, including DeQueen at 35 and Marshall down to 37 degrees, but it looks like by the time we get to sunrise, everybody should remain above freezing this morning, so it should be an easy morning commute for us. We don't have any fog and really no issues as far as any rainfall, and it will turn into a perfect day. Kind of a chilly start this morning, but by the time we get to noon today, low 70s, and we'll just kind of hover in the low to mid 70s through the early evening, so just about perfect as far as the temperatures. And we haven't had a 70-degree day. It's been 8 consecutive days since we've seen a 70-degree day in Shreveport or Texarkana, so again, unseasonably cold here for the last week and a half or so, but things will start to warm up here as we go through the middle of the week, but there is another cool down later this week. Winds this morning out of the west-southwest, so that southwest component to the wind is what is kind of increasing the dew points a little bit, and why temperatures for most of us are in the 40s this morning. And that warming trend continues today. We'll see lots of sun again today, highs in the low to mid 70s, perhaps as high as 76 this afternoon, so a warm day for you in Natchitoches. And you can see pretty quiet across the region this morning. May see just a few upper level clouds drift through, but no rain for your Tuesday. And what we'll see tonight, increasing clouds. There's upper level low out here, again spinning off the Pacific coastline, so that is going to start pushing some of the Pacific moisture and also the Gulf air into the Arklatex. That's what will set the stage for the rainfall later this week, but later tonight, clouds on the increase, and it will be a mostly cloudy day Wednesday before the rain sets in as we move Thursday into Friday. So look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. Obviously not much to see here again today, as the winds will stay out of the west and southwest. Dry air in place for today. Here comes the cloud cover starting to make its way in overnight, so probably a little more than what's being depicted there, but again, the increase in the dew point temperatures tonight should have most of us in the upper 40s and low 50s, so really nice start to our Wednesday morning. We'll go ahead cruise through Wednesday. You can see the mostly cloudy skies here. I've left the rain chances out during the day, but we may very well pick up a shower here north of I-30 tomorrow night as a cold front will begin to settle into the region. Still looks like it's going to be a slow-moving front, gets rung up across the northern Arklatex on Thursday, so your highest rain chances Thursday will be across northeast Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, and with temperatures in the 70s, it is possible we could see some thunderstorms, but the severe weather threat for us is very low with this system. And then as we move into Friday, upper-level disturbance will kind of move in and push the cold front through for the rest of us, so still looking like Friday morning, Friday afternoon, we'll be dealing with quite a bit of rain across the region, and most of the forecast models still continue to show things clearing out late Friday into Saturday morning, so do anticipate that the weekend will be dry. As far as the rainfall totals here, again, some 1 to 2 inch amounts will be possible across the northern Arklatex, where you're dealing with that front for 2 days, and for the rest of us, most of that rain coming on Friday, anywhere in that, I would say, half an inch to inch and a half range, so we could easily pick up an inch of rain in Shreveport, Texarkana. Shouldn't cause any problems with the abnormally dry conditions that we do have across the Arklatex here, but there will be a temperature drop later this week and into the weekend. Until then, really nice stretch of weather, as we'll be in the low to mid 70s here for the next few days. Even Thursday, I think most of us in the 70s ahead of that front. Where the rain sets up Thursday, could see some 60s across the northern Arklatex, and then temperatures will start to fall through the day Friday. A dry weekend, highs in the upper 50s Saturday and low to mid 60s on Sunday. Looks like we'll be dry Monday, but watching next Tuesday, potentially when our next rain-making disturbance could make its way in.